Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Greetings to you all. Thank you for tuning in to this session. I really wish to appreciate each and every one of you. I am Cherono Cheriot. You're seeing me today on screen. Probably we've communicated with you over phone, through email, but today it's such a privilege to have you on board. Thank you for signing up for this session. I'm just so excited to take you through this topic for today. I am your host and your facilitator, Cherono Cheriot. I wish to appreciate all the IBs that are on board, Light Finance. Wish to appreciate you all for your partnership. Thank you for all the clients. Thank you also for just creating that time and being part and parcel of this session. I just wish to appreciate each and every one of you. Our topic today, I have categorized into three parts, three sections. Number one, I will take you through the slides. We define what is copy trading, how it works. Number two, I would log into our website and take you practically through the steps that we would go through. Number three is the question and answer section, and we wind up. So onto the session for today. I would start by defining what is copy trading. But even before that, there's somebody who is new onto this section for today, and you're wondering, what is Light Finance? We are a company, we are a brokerage firm that offers online platform where you can trade Forex, you can trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade stocks, you can trade precious metals like gold, you can trade commodities. So Light Finance offers you that platform. You register and you trade on our platform. That is basically who we are. We've been on the market for 18 years. We are heading to the 19th year. And we are grateful that we have been able to serve you well as clients, offer you that platform in the industry of Forex. Thank you so much. And I would share, you will allow me to share my screen and take you through the slides and explain and make you really understand of what is copy trading. This is the newest investment approach people are taking in the financial market industry. And it doesn't need experience. It just needs your analysis. Light Finance has availed the platform for you. Even you are a beginner, you're wondering, probably you're in this session and you're wondering, I have never traded Forex before. I am new in this thing. Please allow me to take you through these steps that you can still earn without having the skill of Forex. So you're welcome onto our sessions today. You will allow me, I'll share my screen. I'll take you through. And please let me know, I hope I'm clear to everyone. Yeah, you can copy successfully and you can earn in the simplest way possible. So we would start by defining what is copy trading. You've heard people talk about it and you're wondering, what is this thing? What is copy trading? And I will define it for you shortly. Yes, and we'll start by the definition of copy trading. It's a technology that allows Forex traders, investors to directly copy positions that are taken by professional traders onto their accounts. In this case, the master positions are automatically replicated onto the slave account. It is just as simple as it sounds. You copy, trade. They say in Light Finance, we have three keywords that we say you trade, you copy, and earn. Most people have had they would say you follow and copy. they trade and you copy. And just in that definition, it's as simple as it sounds. It is a technology. You as a Forex trader, probably you can even be a beginner. When you are a beginner, we name you in this industry, one who is investing. You're an investor. And the person you are copying is the master account. That person, we call that person. You would hear some terms. I would be using some terms and you would be wondering, what is she saying? You would hear the master trader or the master account, the slave account, or you will hear the trader and the investor. Those are the terms that probably I'll be using generally in this. So when you're copying someone, that person is the master, and you become, it's not a nice term, but just to define it and to explain more about it, probably I can use the trader and the investor in this category. What it does, as in what copy trading does, it allows clients to not only copy the trader's deals, but also to read the news feeds, share their own opinions about the market sentiment for a fee, and provide the trades for copying. And probably you're wondering how it works. It's just simple. A user registers on the copy trading platform and you make a deposit. And as an investor, he or she copies the trades and share a part of the profit with the trader as a fee. We call it commission fee. The amount of the commission that you will pay a trader, it is preset by the trader and it is displayed on their profile. When you go through the copy trading, the social trading platform, you will see a lot of traders, and every trader has his own terms, conditions, and terms. You would see that commission fee indicated. It is displayed on the profile section of that trader. So you will see. That is basically how it works. You register on a copy trading platform, you make a deposit, and you can launch. But first, down through this, I would show you the steps on how you would do the analysis until you come up with who you will copy. And as I said, in Light Finance, we have these three keywords. You trade, you copy, and you earn. And it's just as simple as it sounds. But here, I want to explain. You know, in copy trading, you can copy, or you can allow your account to be copied by others. So there are two in one. You can either copy someone or allow people to copy your account. So when you allow people to copy, you become the master account. But when you copy, you still the investor who's copying a trader's signals. The next slide is how to start Light Finance copy trading. Probably you're there still wondering, if I can earn without trading, then how do I start this thing? You know, it is simple. Number one is you register on the copy trading platform. Number two is you choose the trader. That is the person to copy. In the copying session, you would use, there's some multifunctional rankings that has been displayed. You would have to go through some steps. By the time you're settling on somebody to copy, you have done some personal analysis and you've considered some factors that are suitable to your goals, to your financial goals. That is when you can choose a trader. After you've gotten on who to copy, number three, that is step 3, is to top up your account, fund your account, make the deposit. Number 4 is to set the parameters. that is on this on copying, on the copying process. There are some copying settings that you're required to put. Some, you would find some of the traders you're copying, they have their own settings. So when you're choosing on a trader to copy, be very keen on the settings they have displayed on their profile. Step 5 is you launch the copy. As simple as that. Once you've done step 5, you will just wait. The work is unto the trader to trade and to make profits. At the end of the day, you will log into your account and you will check and see today you made some points and some dollars. And one fact about this thing is that the Light Finance online platform allows you to copy, to choose a suitable trader. There are some conditions that Light Finance have availed. This platform is so transparent to the fact that you can see traders who are losing money on this platform, traders who are making money on this platform. It is very transparent. You can see the wins and the lose. So that's one fact about it. The Light Finance online platform, it allows you to choose a suitable trader to copy using a convenient rating system. You would actually, as I said, you would study the detailed information about the trader's performance, the trading assets, that is in terms of trading assets, profitability of that trader, risk degree, and the number of copying investors. I would explain these steps in the next slides. But I'm trying to say that this platform is very transparent. That is a fact that you would find, you would analyze a lot of traders, and by the end of it all, you would have gotten one to copy that suits your financial goals. And our next slide will take us through. Number 1, I would say, choose a trader you would like to copy. Here, you really need to be very keen on your analysis. First, you understand your financial goals. Second, you will need to know of your risk. So in this number 1, you analyze. I would, when we sign in the second section, when we sign in to the website, I would show you. So number 1 is you choose on a trader you would like to copy, do the analysis. Actually, it is upon you as a client, as an investor, to do personal analysis. You really would want to copy somebody who suits your needs, who suits your financial goals, who you, according to your analysis, you would see this one can go with what you're anticipating for in the market. And the second slide will be, after you've chosen a trader to copy, number 2, I would advise, actually, when you're choosing on a trader to copy, you consider the existence of that trader. For how long has that person been in the market? So our number 2 is the number of days an account's lifespan. The number of days of an account's lifespan. How long has that trader been on the market? Let's say we have trader A and trader B. Trader A has been on the market for, let's say, 3 months, and trader B has been on the market. Actually, when I will show you, when we go to the website practically, today I noticed there is one person, there's some traders who have been on the market for more than 8 years. There are those who have been on the market for 6 years, 5 years. So actually, when you want to copy someone, you would consider between this one who has been on the market for 3 months and this one who has been on the market for 3 years or 5 years, who would you consider to copy? That is a factor that needs to be considered when you're choosing on a trader to copy. On step three, there is another factor that needs to be considered, the risk level. And this is within 1 to 10. It's rated between 1 to 10. It's calculated based on the maximum drawdown value and the number of unprofitable traders. 1 being extremely low risk and 10 being extremely high risk. So in this step, I would advise just you set the risk that you can tolerate and the one that comfortably align with your financial goals. Because you would find someone who is extremely high risk. When you copy that person, in probably your account size, you know, when it's extremely high risk, it can be sending some chills down. You find when he or she places the trade. So on this level, actually, you're supposed to sit down and do that analysis of your risk level. Which one would you like to choose among the two? Let's say trader A and trader B. Trader A is placed between 1, 2 in the ratings of the risk. Another is 9, 10, depending on your financial goals. You would need to choose someone who suits your needs in this industry. And our next slide is step 4. Step 4, overall profitability. On this overall profitability, we consider the APPT concept. That's the average profitability per trade. This is when it's well incorporated with a consistent trading strategy. You achieve this when there is consistency and when the profits and the loss rating are cooperating well. So when you are on this step in choosing who to copy, the more profitable and stable one's trading is. Let's say you settling on a master to copy, and you check on the profitability of that person. When you check on the graph, it has been consistent. That is somebody you may consider to copy. And you would find that person, he or she has more people that are copying their signals simply because he has been consistent, he or she has been consistent and has maintained a clear graph in terms of profitability. Number 5. Number 5 is a factor to consider in terms of the trader's commissions. I hope we are together. Am I still very clear? Thank you. So the number 5 factor to consider and to check on when you're choosing someone to copy is the trader's commissions. It is the commission fee that you pay to that trader for signing up to their signals. It's automatically deducted, and the percentage to be deducted from your profits to the copying the trader signals. It is done automatically. You don't need to stress yourself like, this person has made this profit today, so I need to do calculation on how much to pay this person. No, it is automatically deducted by the system. But you need to also note that unprofitable positions do not involve any commissions. Number 6 is the number of investors And in this, I would say numbers matter. Numbers matter. In terms of, let's say trader A, you check on how many people have subscribed to the trader signal. Numbers matter in a manner that, let's say trader A has 50 people copying him, and trader B has 1,000 people copying him. You would, when you see such a scenario, you would want to understand, why are so many people copying this trader? Could he be profitable? Could he be, probably he's trading well in terms of, could he be managing risk well? You would need, when you see somebody being copied by so many people, you would also want to inquire and check. Probably there is something more for someone to be copied by so many people. That is also a factor to consider when you're choosing who to copy. Factor 7 is the total number of assets. When you check on this, the total number of assets, you check on the total capital under the profile of that trader. And I would categorize it as the own assets versus the investor's assets. And in this, you would find, let's say trader A has no assets of his own, but he has investors' assets. And trader B has his own assets to some certain percentage, and versus the investors' assets. So if you are to copy someone, to consider. And there is this saying that goes, that where your treasure is, there your heart is. Probably, if I am to choose on who to copy, or if you're to choose on who to copy, you will consider someone who has his own assets and other people under him. Because when someone has his own assets, let's say you're in this business and you have your own assets and people are copying you. Those who are following you, those who are copying you, they have some trust in you. There is some assurance that their funds are safe and in safe hands, because this person trading these assets has his own percentage in. This person will trade vigilantly. This person will trade very keenly. In terms of signals, he will not just enter and exit the markets. He will be very vigilant on how to trade, which style to apply, and how to wrap it all. So if you're choosing on who to copy, you would also consider on somebody who has his own assets and other people following it. And I will show you personally, practically, when we sign into the website. On to our next slide. You are wondering, this thing is a bit interesting. So what are the benefits? Number one benefit of copy trading is that I have named it as multi-trading, in that you choose as many signal providers as you want. Copy trading, it allows you a room, it gives you a room for diversifications. Let's say I have my own, I've been trading my own accounts, and to some extent, let's say next week I'm so busy, I can't log into my account and trade. I can assign my account to copy trading by doing the analysis on who to copy and allow it to run. So you can multi-trade in copy trading, and you diversify your portfolio, you diversify your risk, you diversify your income. Moreover, you minimize on the possible losses, in that a profitable trade can cover for a losing trade. Let's say I was doing my own trading, and I allocated some funds in the same profile of mine to do copy trading. And you know, at times when you're copying someone, probably the instruments I'm trading are different and the other person is trading. So you would find where there could have been a possible loss has been covered by a profitable trade from copy trading. You can on trade at the same time allocate some of your funds for copying. That is one benefit of copy trading. It allows for diversification. Number two, you get the earnings without the knowledge. You make profits from the transaction regardless of skill level. Professional traders, all that have been availed on the platform, they will do everything for you and you get your earnings. Number three benefit of copy trading is that you choose the signal provider. It's style trading. You get that room to choose the signal provider whose trading style suits your needs. Different strategies, experience, they use a variety of instruments. In this particular benefit, you would get the chance to encounter some day traders, some position traders, some swing traders, and scalping. In copy trading, you would find when you're analyzing those masters, you would find there is a master that specifically trades one category of instruments, probably pound USD. I've encountered one who trades pound USD alone. You would find somebody else who trades gold. You would find somebody else who trades NZD card, and you would find they trade two instruments or one instrument. So that is a room for you to access the style trading of that trade and get their signals. Number four is you get more free time. You don't need to spend too much time monitoring the market. You get too stressed on when to enter and when to exit the market. You tend to get time to do your own daily schedule. And at the end of the day, you get your returns. And number five, last but not the least, you get easy access to expertise. Great, it's great actually for beginners if you want to avoid getting into technical analysis, the chart patterns. Somebody was asking me, where this candlestick? How do I know this one? How do I study this? And so when you want to avoid all that, you know, it can, at the beginning, it can be really stressful. You see some candlestick and you're like, so which type is this? So, but copy trading allows you to get access to that expertise and the same trading signals to be replicated onto your account. So you allow the most experienced and the profitable traders to do everything for you. So those are some of the benefits that I found copy trading has. And there's some, onto our next slide, I would explain there are some methods. We have methods. On the methods of copy trading. And number one, am I clear? Hello. By raise of hands, please. I hope my audio is clear. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for that feedback. I do appreciate. I'm so sorry. I apologize for losing you guys on the way. We are on a slide on the methods of copy trading. When you log in after launching the copy, before even launching the copy, you would find there are some settings. And it was a number 4 step actually, when you are setting the parameters, your copying settings. You would find there are settings that you're required to put and to set onto your account. Number 1, in those settings, it is in proportions to funds. The investor's account is defined by the trader's equity. I'm sorry. You would find this number 1 is mostly advised, not unless you find a trader whom you're copying has explained or has put some other settings, but the mostly advised, if you don't find any settings, you just set your account in proportion to funds. Number 2, you would find there is full size copying, 1-for-1. This is when your account equals the account of the master you're copying. Number 3 is copying a fixed size of each trade. You would find as an investor, this investor's account is always identical to the volume on the preset trader settings. You would find probably the master is using 5 lots. You would consider to use 2 lots. That is the number 3 you can set your account to. Number 4 is copying a predefined percentage of each trade. The investor's account is identical to a percentage of the trader's account. Let's say 5 lots will go for 100% and 2.5 lots will go for 50%. So these settings, you would find them on the last stage of launching your copy. But the most advised is in proportion to funds. When you set your account to in proportion to funds, it means even if the master's account has 20K USD and your account has 1,000 USD, it will be proportionally according to your size, your account size. It goes with your equity. Everything, it will come down even to the lot size they are using when trading. It will just be downsized to suit your accounts. I hope I'm clear on that. And our next slide is, as I said earlier, copy trading is a new investment approach, and Light Finance grants you the opportunity to earn in the simplest way possible. You can start your Forex journey with profits, even if you haven't got any experience copying professional traders' operations onto your account. It's possible. You can earn in the simplest way possible. They trade and you copy and you still earn. And onto our last but not least, I have some takeaways for you just before we log into our website, and I show you I would share my screen on the website, but I have some takeaways for you on this. Number 1 is you can achieve a well-diversified portfolio with minimum effort. Number 2 is a good copying trading strategy involves not only looking into the past performance of a trader, but also into the current situation with a focus towards the future. Like when you want to copy someone, you don't just say, last year he had a very good profitability that was very consistent. And how about now? You need to look at the current situation with a focus of the future. If this person has been this way, you study the graph and you would see probably is heading this way. How is this trader? Number 3, a takeaway from this session is that you need to understand the risk involved and have realistic expectations for the potential returns. Am I clear? Those are my 3 takeaways for you guys. And I would switch now. We log into our website personally to my account. I'll take you step by step on this process of copy trading. And then we'll come back for the answer in question. And we conclude our session for today. So I'll take you, I'll stop sharing this slide, and then I'll change the screen onto our website. And I still want to appreciate you for being in and staying tuned onto our session today. For those who just joined in, this is Cherono Cheriot. And it's such a pleasure to have you on board. Thank you for signing up. Thank you for being there. And I appreciate all of you. I want to share, checking into, sorry. Just a minute. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. I hope it's clear. This is now onto our website. You have an account with Light Finance. It is possible for you to copy trade. First, we say you sign in, you register on the platform, and you come to this session. It's as simple as it is. We would start this from the copy session at the end of, I hope everybody can see my cursor. When you log into your account, it can either be a real account, a live account, or a demonstration account. Possibility of copy trading in either of the accounts is high. So I would demonstrate using my account. I want to show you. So this is my left. On the far left, when you log in onto your account, the far left corner, you would see a list on the dashboard. There is number 1 trading, copying, and then so you click on copy. I hope I'm very clear to everybody. I don't want you to miss any step. The first step, when you log into your account, you click on copy. Yeah. You would see on my list, there are favorites. These are my favorites. You would, as we said, there are categories. You study, you come up with who to copy after going through all this. The profitability aspect, the most popular, the one who has been on the market for long, all those needs to be considered when you're copying someone. So in terms of popularity, you would find, you will click on popular, and a list would show up. Yes, this is the list. So if you are to choose someone in terms of, on this side, I don't know if anyone can see this. My cursor, manage assets. So when you want to pick on a client, when you want to pick on a trader, in terms of profitability, you can click on profitability. You would see this list changes. All this. This is listed in terms of profitability. When you want to check on the number of copying traders, you click on that and you will see the number of copying traders. Like the first on this list, next, you would find 1,239 people are copying this person. When you check on the period of trading, yeah, here is the one I had mentioned earlier. WF trade, at WF trade, in terms of the period of trading, it comes out the first because he has been on the market for 3,099 days. When you calculate this by years, it comes to around 8 years or 7 something. Yeah, so when this has just opened, let's say you want to check on a specific trader. We click on him, the first one. When you click on the first person, that is at WF trade. I hope I'm clear to everybody. I don't want to lose anybody on the way. I hope I am clear to everyone. And I hope also I am not faster. I want you to get the steps well. So you click on copy. It will display a list of traders. But in this list of traders, you would want to analyze each trader. Trader 1, trader 2, trader 3, and all those. So you click on that specific trader. Like for this case, we've just clicked on AF at WF trade. You check on the profitability, you would see the chart, the way it has been. On his portfolio, you will check on what he has been trading. APP, this one mostly trades stocks. These are stocks. And trading history, you click on trading history, you would find most of this trading volume is 1 in terms of buy and sell, the profit he has made. But there is this one specific info about the trader. When you click on this, you would see this trader is from United Emirates. That is Dubai. He has traded for 3,099 days. Personal assets. Do you remember that I mentioned that when you're considering on a trader to copy, you choose one who has his own personal assets and other people copying him. So this one has personal assets of 19K USD and people copying him, he has 1,200 USD. And the number of people copying this person, I said, I remember mentioning that numbers matter. So the number of people copying this specific trader are 250 people. So this one can fall to our category of trader B, because trader A, we had said probably 3 months, and this one has been on the market for 250 days, almost a year. You may consider to copy that person. Let's go back to choose another trader. As you do analysis, you take time. You really need to take time in terms of your analysis. On this, I hope, like on this list, we have checked on the A at WF trade. The next is the trading capital. But I want us to follow these categories. There is the period of trading, the risk level. I had mentioned that in the risk level, it is rated 1 to 10. And these particular ones, they are around 2. Profitability is 27.72%. The number of people copying this person is 250. The next is 635. The next is 110, and the total number of assets. So as we had mentioned earlier, you consider the assets, you consider the people copying that person, you consider their commission. Like in this category of commission, you would see trader 1 has a commission of 40%. Trader 2 in my favorite list is 30% commission, and trader 3 is 20% commission. So if you are to copy a trader, you would also consider when they say 30%, it means they take 30% of your profits and you get the 70. So it is 30-70. When it is 40, it means 40-60 of the profits, and it will be automatically deducted to your account. I want us to check on this one specific trader in terms of his profitability. You can see the chart on his portfolio, that is at Trading S Capital. On his portfolio, you can see the instruments that person trades. The instruments, the kind of instruments they trade. AUD card, they trade, and this one seems it trades one instrument throughout. NZD card. So this one is 2. In terms of volume, it's 3.9, 3.9, 3.9. And in terms of profits, you can see, like for this month, you check the trading history. NZD card was buying 1 point in terms of lot size. So when you're checking on a trader, the most, as in, what can I say? The section that will give you more details is the information about the trader. And we are on the information about this Trading S Capital. Let's check on his trading history. He's from Vietnam. He has been on the market for 2,684 days. This is around more than 6 years. His personal assets is 180K USD. And the people copying him, those are the investors' assets, are 2,000, this is 2,800K USD. And the people copying this person, 635. I've seen this person being copied by so many people, but as I said earlier, it depends with your personal analysis on who you choose to copy. Let me show you something about the commissions of this person here. When you're checking on who to copy, you check here. And he has clearly indicated commission fee of 30%. 30%. And there are some details every trader will put on their profile that is very keen for you. It will also help you in setting your own. Like for this one, he said minimum funds, you can see. For you to copy this person, you need some minimum funds of 1,000 USD. And you set in proportions to fund. And he has advised that you copy and copy opened orders. Like when you set your, you launch copying for this person, probably you will come in at the time when he has already opened his trades. So he is advising you that you would tick on copy opened orders, and the running positions will automatically be replicated to your account. So when you want to copy someone, you check on these settings. I hope I am clear. I've gone through the most required basics for you to copy someone. And I now want to, before I switch off from this, I want to invite questions. Anyone who has a question, anyone who has a question on this, on each section, you can raise your hand. Questions, please. I hope I have been clear. I hope I have not been very quick. Oh, someone is requesting that I share the link to the website. Yes, I will. Just a minute. Any other question? Any other question? Are we together? Still in the house? Just ask. Somebody asked me, maybe as I wait for someone to ask, there is a most frequently asked question. Somebody has kept asking me, is it possible I copy on a demo account? Oh yes, I forgot to show you that. I forgot to show you that, and you will allow me to go back and show you that on my screen. We can do one. Let's do one. We can choose to copy this person. As we've studied, just for purpose of illustration, you will allow me to copy this person. So if I want to copy this client, let's say you've done your personal analysis and you see at Trading S Capital fits and suits your needs. You just come here, you click on copy that person. I want us, no, sorry. Yes, this one. I went through the shortcut, sorry. This one, when you have decided to copy this particular trader, you click on the portfolio of that trader. There is this section of copying. You see this section for copying. Let me stop the other copying and then we can restart. So there is this section for copying. Let's say you've settled on this particular trader to copy and you have decided to copy this person. You come here, allocate the kind of funds you want to. Let's say I want to allocate 1,000. He had actually mentioned the minimum funds you can copy him is 1,000. So let's put 1,000. You just come and feed 1,000. That is 0.57% of your funds, of my funds. On the copying settings, please be very keen on this section. I want you to get it clear. The instructions of this particular trader, he had mentioned that you minimum amount to copy him is a minimum of 1,000, yes. And he had mentioned that you copy and opened orders. So you click on this copy opened orders. When you come here, you remember I had explained on the methods. Here are those methods. You click on this arrow, you would see in proportion to my funds, full size of 1:1, fixed size of each trade, percentage of each trade. It is in proportion, the most advised. And even you had this trader, he clearly stated in his profile that use in proportion to your funds. So once you've done that, you launch the copy. Some people normally put maximum loss or maximum profit. It depends. And you launch the copy. That is on a live account. Yes, you allow those that the trade is already placed, the copying is already on. You check on this section. If you want to see, you click down here, you will see we are copying Traders Capital. We are located 1,000 and he has some trades. The trade is already running. It's negative 1.23 USD and it's on. So let's say you've just copied this person and you want to copy another one. You just go back. You go back come here, go back to trading and copy somebody else. But the question that is most frequently asked is, somebody once asked me, can I, like, before I go copying live, copy trading live, can I do on a demo account? Yes, you can. It's possible. What you can do, you just on this page here, you see this on my profile, it's a real account. When you want to do on demo, you come here, change. Click on this and change your account to a demo account. Sorry. Trying to show you something. To a demo account. Sorry. So you see, on a live account, you have trades that are running. Something I'm looking for and I can't get it. You're supposed to activate a demo account. Once you activate, it's disappeared on my screen, man. I can't get it. Oh yes, it's here. It's here. You see, when I click on this, it's looking for this. You say activate demo trading. Am I still clear? You say activate. It is on real account, but when you want to do copy trading on a demo account, you click here, activate demo trading. When you activate, it automatically changes to a demo account. But now in this demo account, you don't have funds. Are we still together? I don't want to lose anybody on the way. When you want to practice your copy trading skills and on a demo account before you go live, this is how it works in Light Finance. You activate a demo account, but on your demo account, you don't have funds. You come onto the last down bar, you don't have funds, you deposit. I hope I am still with you. You can choose, let's say 1,000, as the head said, and choose with you and you continue. So you have 1,000 as a demo account and you want to copy someone. So you still go back to copying. Let's say the traders trading S capital. You allocate the entire 1,000 to copy trading. You remember his instructions and you copy. So it has been launched. It's a success. So I handled that. I was handling the aspect of someone, the most frequently asked if you can copy on a demo account. Yes, you can. So I now back to you guys to hear your questions. Your questions, please. Are we still together? Anyone who wish to ask a question? Yes, please. Anyone? No questions? I hope you have learned in this session. I wish to appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you. I see most of our IBs in place. Thank you for signing up. Thank you for the support. Thank you for being there. I hope I was clear enough, and it's good. Getting the skill of copy trading, just knowing how you can earn without having the skill of trading, it's one of the smartest things you can have. So I wish to appreciate everyone who has created time to be with us, to be in this session and to learn copy trading. And as I said, you can go away, you can have these takeaways home, take them home. Remember, you understand the risk involved, have realistic expectations and towards the market, and do analysis of anyone you are planning to copy, and you are good to go. So I wish to appreciate this. If there is no any other question, wish to sign out. Anyone? I'll share the website. Somebody had asked. I share the website. Anyone? Any question? Any question? Are we still together? Hello. Does anyone have a question? Hello. All right. Thank you. For the website, somebody requested I share the link. You can sign in. It's Light Finance. Our website is lightfinance.org.com. There you can check in, just search Light Finance. You would get to understand of who we are. You would get to know us well, and you would see, you will get even to understand on the kind of platform that we offer and more other products. Yeah. Any other question? If there is none, let me say thank you to everyone who signed in today. Thank you for signing up. Thank you for being there for this session. I hope you grabbed something on copy trading. First, you register on a platform. You do the analysis on who to copy. Number 3 is that you fund your account. Number 4 is you set the parameters. Number 5 is you launch the copy. And when you're assessing all that, make sure it suits your financial goals. Set the risk score that suits your financial goals. I want to wish you a very nice evening. It's 8:30, 8:40 actually here in Kenya, local time. I want to appreciate everyone. Thank you. for signing in. Have a good night and thank you. See you next time.